What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. It's good to see your smiling faces out there today. So I was checking my email and I noticed that I had an email from Chris Howell. And I can't believe I didn't open it the first time that I saw it. Because normally when I check my emails, I just go down, and the ones that are like spam, I'll delete those, and I will highlight the ones that are important to me. And I don't know what happened. It probably just slipped and I got in the mood. But I just read his email and I'm gonna read it to you. You know what? Let's just do it. So Chris Howell sent an email and it says, "For you, please open in parentheses. Hey there, just wanted to drop you a line and tell you something. It's super important. I've always been a dreamer and creating was all I ever dreamed about. I was 16 in my parents' basement where I couldn't help but think, all I need is that first opportunity to really give this industry all I've got. That was 14 years ago. If you're new to the game, I started exactly where you are. I didn't know anybody in the industry. I didn't have any investors or connections. All I did was focus on doing the best work I could for as many people as possible. I remember staying up till 4 a.m. to finish an edit and submitting it as 6 a.m. because I wanted that edit to really shine. Yes, I'll admit that it required a lot of work and a bit of luck, but luck is just preparation meeting opportunity. But who's to say that you won't get lucky too? The more you try, the more chances there are for success. All I'm saying is this. If you're here right now rocking with me in this email, you are going to make it. It is going to happen. I don't care if you're making $1 or $100,000 a year. Your determination and creativity will allow you to turn that into millions if you put your skills to work. So keep grinding, keep learning, keep improving upon your past work. Make time for fun and stop comparing yourself to others. That is what I wish I'd tell myself if I were starting out again. I've got nothing to tell you today. I just wanted to make sure you know that I believe in you. Thanks for reading. Love you." I cannot believe that I did not read that the first time. Around that time where he actually sent the video and I didn't open it. Sorry, Chris. I was actually struggling with keeping the channel going. Not because I didn't have the ideas or the creativity, but because I felt like I was putting a massive amount of time into it and I wasn't getting anything in return. I didn't see the progress that I was getting. I didn't get any subscribers at the time. I just felt like I was wasting my time. And it was really starting to take a toll on me mentally. If y'all don't know, I have a very, 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 very strict schedule when it comes to this. I started YouTube for the second time back in December, and I have a goal this year to put out 3 videos a week, no matter what they are. Put out 3 videos a week. And it is difficult. It is really difficult to put out that content like that. And I just got to thinking that maybe I'm overdoing it. I look at all the other people posting on YouTube, and they average maybe 2 to 3 videos a month. And here I am doing 3 videos a week, and I feel like nothing is happening. And then all it took was one person to see one short I made, and I started getting followers. I think I got like 86 subscribers in like one day. That was big to me. That's huge to me. So Chris, I really just wanted to take the time to say thank you. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for your kind words. I would really, really appreciate and love to come shoot with you one day. Thank you. I really needed that bit of motivation, and Until next time, be sure to like, share, subscribe. Peace.